If you want to save battery while browsing, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to enable Battery Saver in the Opera browser. This is a really useful feature if you use Opera on a laptop and want to extend battery life while you work, study, stream, or browse for longer without charging as often. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. In the very top left corner of the browser window, click the Opera O logo. This opens the main menu where you'll find several browser options and settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu panel on the far left side of your screen. Here you'll see different categories for Opera's features and preferences. Click on the Features tab. Now move over to the main panel on the right-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section titled Battery Saver. This is where Opera keeps the option that helps reduce power usage while the browser is running. When you find it, click the toggle switch next to Enable Battery Saver to turn it on. Once the switch is enabled, Opera will start using battery-saving optimizations in the background to help reduce power consumption. And that's it. You've now enabled Battery Saver in Opera browser. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a real difference if you're trying to stretch your laptop battery a little longer throughout the day. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.